Okay, it's been raining, so my hair is soaking wet, and we
We're going to
are getting ready to go. Oh, not that one, this one?
Yeah.
Okay, and we are getting ready to go.
Sir, ang table wala kayo. Paano?
I thought we went with 2. This is 4. I thought you said we were next. Oh, we're not next. Oh, I got it. Okay. I thought it was littler than this.
So, akin?
Here we go.
Oh, excuse me.
Sir, babe. My God, babe.
We just got done doing this. Over here. I saw this from the boat. He said, I gotta do this. And this is where the river gets deep, and that's where the river gets shallow. Michelle's not going to come back with me. And this ought to be a real... My hair is soaking wet. They're going to zip line back. Now that ought to make one good video. And of course, we are taking pictures.
You're not moving.
Better hurry and get it to him. We're almost there. We're almost there. Very beautiful. I'm not going to get a picture of anything I'm on the zip line.
Pictures.
Wow, picture. Picture, babe.
And I guess we got the option video thing here. There we go. And we are here. Here we go. We're sending Giselle back. And there she goes. Back to the other side. Huh? Fiance. We've been together a year. This way to zip line. That's where I'm going. Oh. Lot of stairs if you're gonna live in the Philippines. Over here And here we go. Getting them ready. They took her flip-flops off. No, you can't have it. There we go. All right. They're fastening me down.
You drink alcohol?
Alcohol?
Okay, lay down, sir, lay down. No.
Oh yeah. I've done this once. Ouch. Here we go. We're ready.
Coming, line 4, grab.
I'm ready. And this is pretty awesome. That's all I got to say. That was quick. He's gonna jerk me here, I know that.
Oh, yes, sir.
That was great.
Helmet, sir. I will.
Are you good?
I'm good.
Thank you for coming.
I need to sit down though. All right. That was awesome. Oh boy. That'll make your blood roll.
You have company? You have a friend over there?
Nah, she went back on the thing. She did this at CDO and she said she's never doing it again.
Why?
I think it scared her. That was fun. That was fun. And I hope this video works.
Let's see.
No,
Why?
because if I don't want to lose it.
You're so wet. Let's get them out.
There they are.
Oh, thank you.
They made it.
Is this your
They're
great
still
time?
alive. You look like you were having more fun than he was. No, you don't get my phone.
I'm very nervous.
She did it at CDO and she won't do it again.
Really?
All right.
Let's get our bath first.
Whew. I am so wet. Turn the screen off. It's running.
Huh?
And that was it. My heart is still racing.